Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the account and device. Sign into the Oculus mobile app as the account owner, make sure your Quest 2 is powered and within Bluetooth range, and confirm both app and headset are updated. Once done, tap Devices, choose your Quest 2, and navigate to Settings. This first actionable move gives you access to parental control options tied to the account. Do it now so you can change restrictions. It's faster to work from the app than inside the headset for these initial settings. Next, find parental controls in the device settings and select Manage Controls. You'll see options to disable or modify them. Authenticate using the account password or two-factor code if the app asks, because changes require owner verification for security. Then toggle off the restrictions you want removed, content filters, time limits, and the parental PIN, or adjust them to less strict levels. Make sure to save changes. The app will sync to the headset. If you plan to keep some guardrails, lower limits, finish by restarting the Quest 2 so the new settings take effect. Then verify in the Oculus app that parental controls show as disabled or adjusted. If you encounter a forgotten PIN, use the app's account recovery or reset flow to remove it after owner authentication. If changes don't sync, reconnect Bluetooth, toggle airplane mode, or reinstall the Oculus app and repeat the process. These steps resolve most sync errors. One key troubleshooting tip: always authenticate as the original account owner before attempting PIN resets or disabling controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.